Namaste students, I am Dr. Komal Rathore, Assistant Professor, Department of Komar Bhritya, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Students, today's session, we will discuss about Dushte Stanpanjanya Vyadhya, disorder due to vitiated milk. In this disorder series, first we will talk about lactose intolerance disease. So first is definitions. So definition is, it is inability to digest lactulose in dairy product. Dairy product can cause indigestion. Onset is recurrent. And clinical feature is lower abdomen pain, cramping, distension of abdomen, and diarrhea. And the management is to reduce the total lactose load in the diet by diluting the milk for 3 or 4 days, substituting a part of milk feed by formula based on lactose-free milk protein like calcium, caseinate, sugar and oil, soya bean, meat or vegetable protein mixture. In this series, second disease is Shiralsak. According to Ashtang Hridaya, Shiralsak is described in Ashtang Hridaya Uttar Tantra. Dvitiya sthan, Nidan is Sthaniya Tridosh Maline, when breast milk vitiated by 3 doshas, and child consume it, responsible for Shiralsak. So Lakshan is Durgandhi Amam Jalopamam, Vibaddham Acham, Vichinnam Fenalam Cha Upishyate, Shakrat Anna Vyatha अवर्ण मूत्रम पीतम सितम घनम, ज्वर अरोचक, तृट छर्दी, शुष्क उद्गार विजृंभिका, अंग भंग, अंग विक्षेप, कूजनम, वेपथुर भ्रम, घ्राण अक्षिमुख पाकाध्या, जायन्ते अन्याद अपि तम गदम, शीरालसकम इत्याहुर अत्य च अति दारुणम. Means elimination faces with bad smell and frothy. Means Durgandhi Amam Jalopmam. Vibaddham Acham Vichinnam Fenilam Cha Vishyate Shakrat Anna Avyatha Varnam. Means urine is yellow and thick, fever, Jwar Arochak, Trat Shardi, Shushk Udgar Vijrambika. Means fever, impaired appetite, thirst, vomiting, twisting of the body part, ulceration of nose, eyes and mouth, and it is very difficult to cure. So management is, both mother and children should be treated with Vaman immediately. Suitable Sansarjan Kram proceed with drug of either Vachadigan or Nishadigan. Patha, Shunthi, Amrita, Krakatika, Devadaru, Sariva, Musta, Indriyav are excellent drug for Sthanya Dushti. Now, next is Kukunak. Kukunak, Kashyap Samhita. According to Kashyap Samhita, 13 Adhyay, Nidan is when the mother of a child consume sweet substance and also eat repeatedly fish, meat, milk, green vegetable, butter, curd, and sleep during daytime after repeating eating her aggravated dosha, vitiated, and breast milk. Next in Jayante Nayan Vyadhi Shleshma Lohit Sambhava, develop eye disease with cough and Rakta Dushti. Isthanya Upkram, Isthanya Prakopa, Kaf Maruta, Pitta Rakter Bala Akshiv, Bala Akshi Vartma Bhava Eva Kukunako Anyam. This is according to Shushruta Uttar Tantra 19 Adhyay. Acharya Shushruta said Acharya Sushruta added Rakt with Tridosh for development of Kukunaka. So Kukunak is Rakt and Tridoshach Vyadhi. Kukunak Shishorev दंत उत्पत्ति निमित्तज according to Ashtang Hridaya Uttar Tantra 8वां अध्याय. This adds, according to Acharya Vagbhat, Kukunak is considered as Dantotpatti Nimittaj Vikar by Acharya Vagbhat. And according to Acharya Sushrut, Kukunak is developed from Tridosh evam Rakt. It is the eye disease. Now, what is the Lakshan of Kukunak? So, the symptom is difficulty to sneezing, irritability, continuously rubbing on forehead, eye, nose, excessive itching in the eyes, photophobia, both eyelid get inflamed, and lacrimation. So what is the management? So mother should be treated with woman and Pachal, clear the eye of the children, draining the blood from the affected eye. Netra Prakshalan with the decoction of Erend, Rohish, Twakshiri and Varun. तुलसी पत्र जाति यष्टि मधु और शीत जला नेत्र प्रक्षालन. That's all made decoction for नेत्र प्रक्षालन. लेप भृंगराज नीली तुलसी हरिद्रा. कोकिला गुट्टिका निर्गुंडी द्राक्षा रक्त पुनर्नवा for local application. रोहितका गुट्टिका स्वर्ण गैरिक लाक्षा सेंध मरिच शर्करा त्रिकटु for local application. And now come to the Ahiputna. Ahiputna, according to Ashtang Hridaya Uttar Tantra, मलोप लेपाद स्वेदाद वा गुदे रक्त कफोद्भवा ताम्रा वर्णो अंता कंडू आंज जायत भूयोर उपद्रवा. अर्थात निदान is that स्तन्य दुष्टि and improper hygiene. मलोप लेपात स्वेदाद वा गुदे कफ रक्त कफोद्भवा ताम्र व्रणो अंते कंडुम आंच जायन्ते भूयोर उपद्रवा. So synonyms is पृष्ठारु गुदकुट्टन मातृका दोष और अनामकम and ahiputna. So ahiputnas, that's all is synonym. Samprapti is due to improper hygiene. There is a development of itching around anal opening. Excessive itching convert into blister and purulent itching that develop wound around anus called ahiputna. Due to improper hygiene, there is a development of itching around anal opening. Excessive itching convert into blister and purulent discharge that develop wound around anus called ahiputna. And the management is, first of all, Dhatri. First of all, we have to manage of Dhatri is Sanya Shodhan with Kaf Pitta Shamak Aushadhi. The drinking water for mother should be boiled and kept in the clay pot. Local application performed with Madhu and Rasanjan. Prakshalan done with Triflaquat. If the erythema and itching of the wound is excessive, then go for Jaluka Rakt Vistravana. So it is important for local application and Prakshalan and Rakt Vistravan for Jaloka. And modern Ahiputna is related with napkin rashes. It is inflammatory disorder characterized by development of erythema, papules, and sometimes vesiculation with scaling. More common with fed infant and those with poor perineal hygiene. It may involve convex surface such as buttocks or inner side of the thigh. So that is the surface areas or where napkin rashes arises. And what is the common causes? And what is the symptoms of the rashes? So rashes is erythema papule and sometimes vasculation with scaling. And now management is local antibiotic or antifungal or mild steroid are used. It is very useful, and maintain proper hygiene as we see in Ahiputna description of Ashtang Hridaya. So hope you like that session and it is beneficial to you. Is what is the Dantotpatti, Dusht Stanpanjanya Vyadhis, lactose intolerance, and revise Shiralsak according to Ayurveda, Kukunak, and Ahiputna. So if you have any doubt, any query about this session, you can ask me. I will definitely resolve your problem. So that's all for now. Thank you. Thank you so much.